Hi everyone, it's Linda, your Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and Show Me How Saturday today is going to be talking about deep cleaning our microfiber. So if you think about deep cleaning is like going to the dentist twice a year. You want to really deep clean them because our microfiber just sucks up all that dirt and grime and it holds on to it. It doesn't transfer over to other places, but it holds on to that. Even when you're washing, sometimes it may not get as clean, but it still works just as well. So today I am using the Norwex microfiber laundry booster. 1 scoop of this, it's going in my stationary tub that I've got plugged up. I'm putting hot water, not boiling water, and a scoop of microfiber booster. Let that mix up. And the instructions on the microfiber booster is you fill your sink or a gallon bucket of water with hot, not boiling water, and dissolve 1 scoop of the microfiber cleaner laundry booster in it. And then you want to add up to 10 heavily soiled microfiber cloths and let it soak for 30 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do today. I've got quite a few. So since I've got a big laundry tub, I'm probably going to put more in than just that. So I'm just going to start dumping. I got my body cloths, hand towels, my bath towels. No, those aren't too dirty, but we're going to do that anyway. My kitchen cloths, sometimes those stop absorbing all the water, so we're throwing that in. Got my Enviro sponge. So I am going to let that soak, and we will have another video after this one. So I'll see you in a while.